Like, there should be a difference when I am watching a podcast and watching, like, oh, this is we have two major,
all right,
the two biggest networks in Jamaica.
Why is it that a YouTube music video look better than the news?
Welcome to the Dale Elliott podcast. I am your host, Dale Elliott, and I'm here with my co-host, Crooks.
Rise the machine, we have
5.56 caliber, aka the mighty S caliber. Beat it like a street. You do that song there already, though. See it now?
Run them down, run them down, run them down, run them down, run them down.
Speaking of running.
Yes.
Speaking of running, dog, Oblique Seville win.
Yes, big up Oblique Seville, yeah man.
Yes, and I am very excited for this victory.
Why?
Because remember the last conversation we had when I was speaking about track and field, I got a bit passionate, you know.
You did.
Yes, and I talked about, I think he had like a mental situation that is holding him back, like a fear, you know, like, you know, not getting over that hump.
Yeah, like a confidence thing.
Yeah, like. Confidence thing. But hey, people, as a matter of fact, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Straight.
And you know, as we can see, you know, we head take way. My head take me again. Yes, people. How do you like this one?
How's the setup now, guys? We're trying. We're working. You know, I think it's cool. I like it. I like it a lot. You know.
I actually think this is it.
Yeah.
I feel like this is the one. I think this is the one.
This feel like TV.
No, TVJ. Just look at us now.
They really cooked with that one.
Yo, them cooked forever.
Yeah, they really cooked with that.
Yeah, but yeah. So people, I am experimenting with a bunch of stuff, and I've gotten to this look for the podcast, and I like it. It feels very newsish.
It feels very newsish.
Yes, I feel this now feels amazing.
It feels like you can report on these criminal elements.
On Spot Media. So on the screen, you are seeing cheat tricks. This criminal element, him and him friend them.
You know what cheat tricks?
Pick and tail. Yeah. Are you a cheat trick? I saw cheat tricks look. I saw cheat tricks look. Gunman cheat tricks.
This is cheat tricks.
Cheat tricks out there pose with him going, aim and pick and team or something like that. But I'm glad Seville actually surprised people. And the craziest part about it is that in the semis, Noah. So
yeah, me see my try like.
No, so look what happened. So in the semis, Seville finished third in the semis, but him was the last to come out in blacks. And him run 993, and Noah literally say, oh, yeah, man. He was like, it was like Noah said, oh my, he was around the back. He was panicking around the back. You know, I hope he get it right. He's a competitor, but I seen it coming because he was panicking. So it's in the semis, and then big finals come now.
Who was panicking now?
And the man does you. What I love about that Bills though.
Yeah. It
wasn't no photo finish.
It was like a clear win,
it
like
was
obvious.
Like Noah clearly did come third. him never need for dip for come third.
Yeah.
And Kishian clearly come second.
Yeah.
And Oblique
clearly
win
first.
The craziest thing about that victory to me is the fact that Oblique normally, so in the big races, him finishing always slower. But for some reason, I tap in him use past all of them. So me I wonder if him did a practice something in the semis, because
maybe reserving his energy for the last, you know.
Him run 993 in the semis with a start where him basically sit down in the blacks until everybody run off, then him run off. And then him finish third.
maybe I feel like that, like he preserving his energy in that way. You know what I mean? Maybe him know that he's being underestimated and use that to him advantage.
I just think him eventually look into himself and say, yo, me can't make this happen again. Bro, every time he's been a favorite to medal in the last like 3 to 4 like major games, you know.
Oh wow.
Last year he was a favorite to medal. He finished last.
Damn.
I think 1 year and finished 4th. So he's been finishing like him been an underperform for the longest while. But what I know for a fact, so Jamaica have this sprint coach. His name is Glenn Mills.
Okay.
Any sprinter in Jamaica, only 2 man need for coach sprints coming out of Jamaica. If it's not Stephen Francis, it's Glenn Mills. If you coaching any other sprinting after high school, stop. It sound away though. It actually sound away. Stop.
I mean, what to everybody else?
No, stop. It's proven. It's proven.
Yeah, but you know, you can't have the little, you know.
If it's not,
you need somebody before you reach the God tier them, you know.
If it's not MVP, it's racers. If you are an athlete and you're not at MVP or racers, put it down. And what I noticed too is MVP, the sprinters are good. And a lot of the female sprinters at MVP are good too. I think Tina Clayton, I see. No people going
Comments.
to, no people are going to
Comments.
pressure me in the comments now. Correct me. But it's a Clayton, one of the Clayton twins.
Yeah.
And I'm going to get it right too. I'm not even going to have this over my brain and bother me because
somebody's gonna be in the comments very, very informed at your uninformedness.
Because all them I do a Google for make sure, you know. Tina Clayton.
Okay, Tina Clayton.
Medal at 21.
Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy.
So
really, that's the cream of the crop as far as the sprint circuit is in Jamaica.
Like right now?
Yeah, if you're not with those 2 coaches.
Oh, no, but it's been like that for years.
Okay.
It's been like that for years. But it's just, that's just how Jamaica is, brother. It's like, if Glenn Mills not coach you, or Stephen Francis, put it down. No, but
Rough.
well, if you're
trying to be at that competitive level.
If you're trying to run 100 or 200 meters, those are the only 2 people that should coach you.
Okay.
Yeah. You have a little flexibility when you get to quarter mile, which is 400.
Yeah. Are there more people outside of that when it comes to quarter mile?
I think for quarter mile, honestly, I don't think as a country we've gotten to the potential we can
Where the
quarter mile sprint is concerned. But I really believe I think quarter miling, American coaches are very good quarter mile coaches.
Okay.
Yeah, American coaches generally have good quarter milers.
Would you say that? I think we had a discussion before that them don't really even focus on the field.
Yeah.
People. But would you say that 100 is the strength? 100 meters like Jamaica's
Fiver.
just like that.
Forever.
So
sprints. 1, 2, 4. 4x1. 4x4. We are hurdles.
Yeah.
We're good in hurdles, both male and female.
Okay.
4 hurdles.
Yeah.
We're always competitive in 4 hurdles and in 400 meters.
Okay. But field, we don't really get the highlight in field.
But we have good people in the fields, though.
Yeah.
But I think now things
the shot
changing.
put people them really good.
Yeah. So we have some good shot putters. I don't know if Frederick medal or if him turn up yet. Somebody let me know that. My dog we used to go UA with him.
Okay.
Him flip the table when Oblique win yesterday.
Oh,
Yeah,
sick.
both in the stands are celebrate too.
That must have been crazy to see. I mean, Jamaica always dominate them
Yeah, but
them situations still.
you see, all right.
But sometimes there's an upset.
Always. You see, because me's a field athlete.
Them say those who can't teach.
Yeah.
You know.
You see, because like I wouldn't say field athlete, but me never love it like everybody, like the people them will like make it, or
Yeah.
I can just be not as talented as them.
What do you think is if you had to describe what the mentality is to get you to there, what do you like? How would you?
Bro, those men work really hard. If you should ever look at the program of a sprinter to run 100 meters,
Yeah.
you would respect the hell out of them. Like, and it's really for the fittest. That's why I say it's just the drive to see when Oblique I say, yo, put some respect on my name,
Yeah.
because track and field, as much of talent it track and field take a lot from the mind. It have a whole heap of mind power, because you will have a man in training that fast.
Yeah.
Every like him doing program good, him a run fast, and then on the meet the track there, him
Something
just
happen and it just
no
pull up.
in brain. You lose from here first. Some people lose from here first. So I think in an Oblique situation, Oblique did a lose up here so. And it take a while to stop lose up here so if you're not mentally strong.
So that's where that whole put some respect on mine.
Yeah.
Like dog. Remember who you are, bro.
Bro, all right, look at it that way. I believe that Oblique Civil,
Yeah.
the trajectory that he left high school with, nobody should be beating him. I don't believe nobody should be beating him. And I did believe that for so long. And every time me put my faith in him
Yeah.
and him let me down,
Yeah.
it's like, me I say, yo, me nah trust it again. But I didn't know it's something up here. And if him can get that monkey off him back.
So do you think because he's clearly very talented, right? Do you think it's what them call that something there? It's like a thing, the Kruger effect, you know what I'm talking about?
What that?
It's like that. It's like a syndrome what them talk about. Let me tell you what name. It's like the more you know about a thing, the more critical you are
some
about
people
it.
think too much.
Yeah,
Like with
some-
the light in here.
Yeah, all right. Like, so because you know so much about tracks and running and how talented everybody that you are running against is, do you think is a thing where him just overthink it and put too much into the environment and not enough into what him a do?
Yeah, because this is exactly what's going to happen now. Now that he's won once, boy,
It's over.
hey, God go like him get that monkey off him back. What, brother?
Like him just realized that, yeah, dog, are you that you
Know
know,
that
do it.
know that he's done it?
Yeah.
Because, bro, the last time we speak, we said Jamaican athletes aren't as confident enough and they never show much personality.
Yeah.
Remember the last time we said that?
Yeah.
I think I watch him do a Diamond League. And in the Diamond League, him say, I will win. Him say, yo, I will win. Him say it in the Diamond League. But when him say it, bro, it was him that try convince himself. when he said that, I
Like you could say that he didn't believe it.
I looked on it and I was like, see it again. But me actually happier that him win.
Yeah.
No, the next thing, Kishin.
Yeah.
So Kishin lost to Noah last year by Noah chess.
Right. Right.
The whole year, this year, I've watched Kishian run all I'm 100 meters, and I never like his last 25 meters in every single 100 he ran. Just look shaky. I don't know.
Shaky how? Like him run out of energy? Like what you mean?
All right. So
Unstable at the end?
so sprints like 100 is a race. It looks simple, but kind of technical.
Yeah.
Yeah, like your drive phase, your first like 40, and then you start transition up. But in all honesty, you start decreasing after 60 meters.
Okay.
It's who decrease the slowest wins.
Okay.
So it's not who start move fast at the end.
Yeah.
It's who decrease the slowest.
Okay. So if you can maintain the closest to your top speed after 60, you
After
win.
60, you are going to win.
Okay.
Now, for some reason, I think Kishian needs to start running 200 meters.
So that him can
Like
fix
competitively.
him.
I think his finishing is terrible. Terrible. I think, but guess what? I'm not a professional. But I,
Yeah. So it's like,
but
cool.
like I know,
You know?
like I am just from the outside looking in,
Yeah.
brother. It's like, all right, you ever drive a car? Perfect analogy.
Yeah.
You ever go in a car and something wrong with it, but you press the gas and it shoot off,
I just
and then the moment you reach like 60, you feel it.
it's not yeah.
You feel
it's
everything-
unstable now. Just
Everything start go wrong.
yeah.
That is how it seemed when him run. Like
So do you think if he was to do 200, that would fix his issue with 100s?
yeah, my theory is I don't want to say he's not strong enough because clearly he's a power sprinter.
Yeah.
Like when you look at him, him powerful.
Yeah.
Now, is it that he needs to trim down some more? Maybe he muscles them.
Yeah. Demanding too much.
No, so in a like when you're that big, you're more susceptible to like lactic acid quick.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so him like him tighten up faster.
Oh, okay.
So that is why, like him first time when the race start, him look like a gazelle. Him look smooth, and him
then
look
by the
neat.
end him-
But by the end, him turn RoboCop. By the end, him just start like buck.
yeah.
Anytime you see a man start go so, I done it. No.
Yeah, it's over. That's
No,
yeah.
it's over.
On fumes.
So him, I know. No, the question is, does he have a mental thing? Because he just finished second.
I'm finished. He lost to
He lost to Noah,
right? Barely.
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 He's run 9.7. I think he run 9.76 this year or 9.77. But he's run 9.7 this year. No, him run 9.82.
When him did run with Noah?
No, yesterday he run
Okay.
9. No, it is not uncommon to not run a season's best
Yeah.
in the final.
Yeah.
But if you want a season's best,
It's
it's
usually
in the final.
Yeah.
And the chances of you not medaling when you don't run your season best is very high. So last Olympics, I think him did enter with a 9.7.
Yeah.
I end up running 9.8. This year, him enter with a 9.7 and run 9.8. Last year, him run 9.81, I think. Comments, correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
This year, him run 9.82.
So is it a thing where as the pressure mounts, he slows down?
I think I'm watching the race though. I think him did just a look for Noah. I don't think him know what take place the other beside him. I think him just a focus say, yo, him no.
Yeah, him a beat Noah.
Him a say, yo, him a beat Noah.
Yeah.
So it's like him not think about where I going because is the top end. When me say like who slow down this list,
Yeah.
like when Oblique end up beside him just convincing just move where is cause is man turning a Robocop.
Oh, Jaja.
Yeah, America win the 100 for the females though.
Okay.
Yeah, America win the 100. We finished second. The girl run 10:61. That's crazy.
That's insanely impressive.
Bro, you know what the female 100 meter record is?
What?
10:04.
Really? Wow.
This lady
And she
named,
around 1061?
yeah, this lady named Flojo. No, she far. In track and field, that's so.
Yeah, that's
So Crooks
yeah,
don't really know tracks like that.
Yeah,
For
but I
Bills,
imagine-
you're far.
Yeah, I know, but I feel like that should be competitive though, no?
10:61?
Yeah.
No, you beat everybody. 10:61, yeah, no, nobody no near you.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
When you are on 10:61.
That's why I said the 1061 is impressive. It's not 10-4,
Yeah.
especially in racing.
I personally put an asterisk on the 10:4, but you know,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's Flojo record, you know, and
Oh, yeah.
you know, no respect to Flojo, but it's Flojo's record.
Yeah.
But no, all the
That is in question.
no, it ain't a question. Them not gonna ever pull back the record. That a way to go stay. So another woman I gotta figure run that.
I mean, all right. Cause when they take away a medal, they don't take away the time that you.
No, them never take away a medal either.
What did they do?
No, there's just a conspiracy that, you know, the time when she was running that, you know, there is possibilities that certain things was legal at the time.
I thought that was determined. I thought they were determined that. I thought they had already said like, yeah, they're. Let me see.
Did Flojo ever? No. See? So, no.
Okay.
Flojo Griffith Joyner never tested positive for performance enhancement drugs. Despite widespread skepticism and allegations of drug use, especially after her retirement and death, she passed all drug tests during her career and her autopsy revealed no conclusive drug use. So you see?
Good thing for know these things.
Exactly.
Good thing for know these things. Flojo. That's her name, you know.
Flojo. So, see? So, it was always a rumor, but now that we
Confirmed.
them never find nothing. So, the 100 meter record is 10:04. And
So we've removed the asterisks.
we yes.
Okay.
So no, because now we have the time. I am fact checking everything.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because these people are crucifying me if I get things wrong. So
Boy,
But
them
make
I
sure-
mean, them have the luxury of Googling before them comment, you know.
that
You know what I mean? If them did in the call, they would have to figure it out.
Bro,
That's why I do the live them, you know.
that's how we do them live. People, tell me if you know how I'm gonna do the podcast live. Flojo ran 10.49. So basically 11th of a second faster.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah, a lens that a near.
Yeah, there is
That's not like, oh, down the road.
that's not easy to just over.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, man. Oh yeah, we can do that. Jaja.
So now the saddest thing of all, Shelly-Ann Fraser, this is our last world champs.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
One of the most, I don't even know if she, like, brother, Shelly-Ann Fraser, she's probably one of the most decorated female athletes ever. Not just in Jamaica.
Just like in
Ever.
general.
Yeah, I want to know if she have more medal than Merle Natty. Merle Natty
Yo.
did crazy.
Got Merlin represented, you know.
Most decorated.
I mean, she's had an insane.
Shelly-Ann Fraser is
career.
the most decorated 100-meter sprinter. Brother, she not normal, you know?
Like ever? Like just in general? Just
Yeah, female.
oh, female. I was like, oh, like in I thought you meant in general.
But
like,
it probably it is most decorated. This is not even no sprinter in Olympic history. Most decorated. Most.
Shelly-Ann Fraser is the most decorated
Most.
sprinter.
Yes. More than Bolt, like most.
Wow.
Brother, mega.
Wow.
Watcha. Olympic and world champs medals. Brother, some of the time when people have like, you know, you get so used to somebody winning.
Yeah.
Brother, Shelly-Ann Fraser on the Olympic level, she have 3 gold. 2-time 100-meter. Beijing, she win Beijing 08. She win London 2012. And she win 1 relay. So she have 3 Olympic gold medal. She have 4 Olympic silver medal.
Wow.
2 4x1 2020. Tokyo. 1-time 200-meter. London 2012 4x1. 1 bronze in a Rio. World champs. 10.
Wow.
10 gold medal. 5 100-meter
Wow.
gold medal. 1 200-meter. 4 4x1.
Wow.
5 silver.
She buzzled down.
No, man.
she buzzled down.
She's probably the most decorated Olympian in Jamaica history. I don't think there's no Olympian supposed to. If she's the most decorated 100-meter,
Yeah, I don't
she's
think
probably
anybody.
dog. This not normal, brother.
That's
Oh,
yeah.
oh, and she's also the fastest mother ever.
Wow.
Yeah. Fastest mother.
Wow.
2 years after having her son.
I mean, she has all the right to just
A national hero thing that, you know.
yeah,
No,
that's
big man thing like,
Shelly-Ann Fraser for the money.
yeah. Big man thing like, yo, look, like, what?
Shelly-Ann Fraser for the money, bro.
We're not just discovering this, but like,
Think about the magnitude of that for a moment.
she's been running. She won the same time Bolt won in 2008, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
And she just retired, you know.
Wow.
Bolt retired 2017, you know. She still did a win after that.
So, all right. How long of a career has she had?
Well, I think her from 2000, she probably had the tracks before that, but
Yeah.
say when she burst onto the international scene,
Yeah. So if you go
2008 to 2025, that's 17 years.
17 years.
A 17-year track and field career.
That's a insane track record.
Yeah. I know Merlin Natty did run longer than her though.
Yeah.
Merlin Natty did run longer than her, but
How Merlin was like 20 years or something like
brother, Merlin Natty top run, I think I beg people beg her stop running. You know?
I think they beg her for stop run and then she go run for somewhere
Brother,
else.
Merlin Natty say, oh, she gonna run for another country.
Yeah, like all right, Carl, when I ask me for stop run, like say, you know, run done.
I hope now that Shelly-Ann Fraser retire, that she, because you know Bolt have the most honorable and them thing there. I think she definitely needs to name honorable if she don't name honorable already.
I feel like she
But
should.
I think every single thing that Bolt got, she needs. Like
Absolutely.
everything where Jamaica offer, she deserve that.
So Merlin Atty career was over 30 years.
Yeah, man, Merlin Natty never give up.
This is Shelly-Ann Fraser. All right.
Shelly-Ann Fraser used to run for Woolmans too in a year. Shelly-Ann Fraser did about, you know.
20 years.
Brother Merlin Natty.
Beginning in 2005.
Yeah. So she probably left. That's when she like left Woolmans on her first like professional track.
Wow. She got her first one in 2007 World Champs in Japan.
Mm-hmm. So right now, what I think I got now is Tina Clayton up next. Sherika Jackson. I need to find out what going on with Sherika.
Yeah.
But the sprints are look good.
Look like we're in good
like
hands.
we in
right
a
now,
good
right?
hands. Thanks to MVP and racers.
Straight. It's in your mind.
It's in your mind. Mental.
Yeah, it's a mental thing, you know.
It's a mental thing. But you know what crazy?
What?
We are literally seeing like not really, but Usain Bolt did a fight him first, like Usain Bolt first Olympics, him got the madness, you know.
Really?
Usain Bolt was at the 2004 Olympics, you know. And I think him they finished like him never ever met the final. Him they run 200 meters.
Okay. So, I think I hear him talk about this.
So, and I think, getting over that hurdle
Mentally,
and then him shift down to bills.
yeah.
But no, what I am seeing now is I think Kishian is at MVP. Asafa was at MVP.
Yeah.
Racers, Bolt was at racers. Seville is at racers. What I am seeing now is the same characteristics Asafa had from Kishian.
Yeah. And the same.
Blazing out the blocks.
Yeah.
Don't understand the last 25 of the races. I don't know what go on at the end, but you have to like get over that hump. I think it's the same situation. But just like with racers, Glenn Mills help to get us Seville over that hump.
So do you think that there's something in the training that creates that blockage mentally?
Yeah, but you can't. Me still think Kishin are gonna win a competitive gold medal.
Yeah.
Eventually. But me think it's gonna be between the two of them for a while.
Yeah.
Think it's gonna be between the two of them for a while.
Yeah.
Which is good for the culture.
Which is great. This is what we want to see.
The next World Champs is 2027.
Yeah. What is that gonna be?
I don't know wait I could there, but I know at 2027. In 2027, Seville will be 26. I think, and Kishian is going to be 26 as well too. They're both young.
Yeah, true.
So
very prime time.
Them have, I would have said, two more solid like big
events.
Olympics. No, them have two more big Olympics. So them have two more Olympics and maybe two more World Champs. Because World Champs is always 1 year before and 1 year after.
True. Okay. So we have time for see how them are gonna change the game as them grow in them career.
Yes, but so that was a little track segment.
Yeah.
All right. So we have another thing now. Crawford versus Canelo.
So I never get to see the fight.
You are so not a sports person.
I did not get to see the fight. I was on the road when it was happening. I didn't get to see the fight. I was gonna watch it last night, but sleep out the whole yesterday.
Bud beat Canelo.
Yeah.
At Vegas. I always want to go one of them fight then, dog.
You've never gone to one? I don't know why you seem like somebody that would go
like
to the
one.
fights.
I think something always pop up and I end up miss it. Like it
Okay.
always has some scheduling conflict.
Yeah.
But me I go one of them fight though. Definitely have to.
Yeah. I feel like if there's any sport that I actually enjoy watching, I believe it's boxing.
It's boxing.
Yeah. Like fully. This is a different
Boxing.
I feel like it's such a personal sport. It's not like, okay, you never lose because your team let you down. You know what I mean?
No, you lose because he beat you.
Him beat you up.
No, but boxing also takes strategy.
Oh no, it absolutely takes strategy.
Yo, you can't lose a boxing because you hear your mother shout out your name and your eye move and go over go see her, you know.
Yeah, and him say yeah, I move, I just
Him
rock.
didn't have to say your eye move.
Yeah.
Him just brother,
Yeah.
there was this moment in the fight with Canelo. So Canelo and Bud a fight and Canelo, so Bud actually is the first boxer to go undefeated in a like 3 or 4 weight class. That never happened
That's
before.
insane.
Like now people are saying like is Bud
Like the greatest boxer of...
Is he like greater than Mayweather?
Yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah. Because Mayweather fight Canelo as well, but Mayweather fight Canelo when Canelo was 23.
How long ago was the Mayweather fight?
That was years ago. Canelo is 35 now.
Was he Money Mayweather?
He's been Money Mayweather.
No.
Him change over to team like when he fight him, he was Money Mayweather.
How long has he been Money Mayweather?
A while. A long time the man is from him come out time deal with thing there. So see that Terence Crawford, him at 37.
Okay.
So him have now the man have how much belt the man have? Man have every belt now to rot it.
Fighting in every weight class, crazy still.
No, 4.
So how much him have left? How much weight
No,
class?
I'm done now. As in him go up to I think him fight at like 168. That's what him do. So him actually go up. There is no excuse.
Yeah.
With that fighter because normally him normally fight at like 145, 150 something. But him actually go up to Canelo weight class and fight him.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And not put in no rehydration class. No, to people, rehydration class is basically like you can't like drink no water and them thing there.
Yeah.
Like when you're maga, so rehydration class apparently in a boxing you can like starve yourself, hungry.
Yeah.
And as soon as you weigh in on the scale, you can start to eat food and drink water and strong
then
up back.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically you have a man where enter a fight, him a 44 pound, him look like him a suffer.
Yep.
And then
like,
as soon as him done weighing, him just eat. You see what you Hulk.
You know what I mean? That's wickedness still in a bro. That's wickedness in a put on a quick 30 pound next
Put on
week.
a quick 30 pound. Yeah, but boxers tricky. Because you will see a man I walk around every day. Him a 180, 185. All right. Like me a 190.
Yeah.
If me a box, me probably would have to go weigh in at like 168, you know.
Yeah.
So I would have to lose 6. So a matter way, Canelo is probably walking around every day, my weight.
Yeah.
And then have to lose all of that.
Yeah. I mean,
to get to 168.
Because that's a middleweight. That's not heavyweight.
No, that's not heavyweight.
That's a welter?
One of them.
Yeah.
One of them.
Damn.
But that actually crazy.
Yeah, fully.
Yeah, that's why. But the man beat him, brother. There was a time in the fight.
How many
he
rounds?
got 12.
Oh, full fight?
What I was worried about though is so normally in a boxing,
Yeah.
if you don't knock out the champion,
Yeah,
they're going to say it's a draw.
for sure.
Like in boxing, you have to beat the champion.
Yeah, you
Because-
never. Otherwise, him still kind of
Exactly.
win. Even if you're.
Him still kind of, you know, knock out the champion.
Yeah.
You have to beat him unconvincingly.
Yeah.
So like the whole fight, brother, the man have punch round Canelo. Canelo getting 1 and 2 powerful punch. But when you look on the scorecard, yes, I can't the same fight me and them man I watch. Because them have it like him barely win. Him never barely win, brother. Him never barely win. Brother, one time I see the man Tom Canelo turn around and like look upon him like he must say, whoa, hey.
Like, yo, what is there? You're the
Hey, what kind
foul.
of punch that? Where you get that one there from? That one they new. That one they just come out.
I think the issue with boxing too, if you know, because it's ranked on points plus the knocking out. So it's like you could punch and not knock out the person,
Yeah.
but still
Win.
winning because you're punching.
Bro, you can be bouncing around and just throwing jabs.
Yeah.
Throwing jabs.
And you get
every
points for
jab
that.
count, you know.
Yeah.
One punch.
Once it connect, it counts.
That count. But don't make him catch you and make you drop on your knee.
Yeah,
because
don't get one hook and...
yeah, because if you drop on your knee, that count as a down. And that different from a jab punch. Like each punch is score different.
Yeah.
So they make it more entertaining. But boxing, I think the older I may get, the more me interested in other sports outside of the Jamaican norm.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we as Jamaicans, we only are just two things we work with, you know.
Ball.
From the track and field, a ball.
Yeah. That's it. That's it.
Tracks are ball. I think we are gonna make it World Cup.
So which you think so?
It's looking confident. It's looking like we can do it. Trust me.
Yo, you're gonna make me start watch them, you know, bro.
It's looking. It's really looking like Jamaica should make the World Cup.
How far you think?
No. Hey, we're gonna make it. But let's not do that now. Let's one step at a time. What are you doing? Let's make it first. You see, if we make it,
You gotta aim for the stars, bro.
we make it first. Baby steps. Focus on the obstacle in front of you.
How can we get Jamaica to be as competitive
As possible.
Germany?
It have to start from grassroots. Bro, as much as we as Jamaicans love football,
Because we love football.
we love football more than track and field.
So, because I'm
You wonder
always
why
like,
are we not like the best in it?
I've always wondered how come we're not. Like, we're even close to Brazil.
We're not good at all.
Like, at all.
Here what Jamaican problem is.
Well,
Those countries that you see playing football, football is like a religion
yeah.
in those places. In Jamaica, we have grassroots and we have youth programs, but it is not to the level of like a European country. Remember, I know that. How much
true.
man in Jamaica play football to say, this is what I am going to do for the rest of my life? It doesn't happen like that. Right now, some of
true.
Jamaica's best footballers
Have a 9 to 5.
are just walking, just chilling. Like, we just look upon them like, yo. Because normally, it is, in a Jamaica, football go hand in hand with, like, either badness or... normally...
Like, you can't just be a baller, apparently.
Nah,
Like-
all right. You can be a baller, you know.
Yeah.
But there's a level of discipline that come with football that
We just look like we're not.
we have to display that. And if we don't display that, we're not gonna get to, you know?
Yeah, true.
Because me genuinely believe like if we take the same coaches and bring them to Jamaica and take away our fields are terrible. We don't have good programs. You know, Kyle Butler, that I'm son, but Craig Butler. Craig Butler run Phoenix Academy. That's how we like Leon Bailey come out. Whisper from we used to go KC. Them football is something where you have to really do from your like little pitney forever. I think we balance ball game. You know, Jamaica, we play a ball from October till Manning Cup done. When Manning Cup done, we don't kick a ball again until next Manning Cup. Like look,
Fair.
I'm sure. Look how behind Jamaica football is. You can play Manning Cup until you are 18 years old. 18 turning 19. Because you can play when you're at 13th grade at the upper 6.
Yeah.
You turn 19 in the upper 6, right?
Yes. You can.
You can turn 19 in the upper 6. But the probability of is high. Yeah, you turn 18 in the lower 6, 19 in the upper 6.
Yeah.
So you turn 19 in the upper 6.
Yeah.
You play football high school level until 19 in Jamaica. No, at 19, Mbappe did already win the World Cup. No. Put that into perspective. At 19, Mbappe won the World Cup. At 19, Neymar was one of the most expensive players. I get bribe for leave Santos from Brazil for come. Let's not even go that far.
Wow.
Let's not even go that far. Yamal. Lamine Yamal is a football player. He plays for Barcelona right now.
Yeah.
Their best player right now.
Yeah.
He's 17.
So is it that Jamaica just don't like fund or things?
I think it's
Like,
just the
like-
development of the players.
Yeah.
Like I think if we put the Jamaicans them to play upon the level where the other people them play upon faster,
Yeah.
we get there quicker. But at 19, you
Yeah, you're
played
supposed to
Manning
out there
Cup.
play professional.
Yeah, all right. For instance, Leon Bailey.
Yeah.
I don't think him ever kick a ball in a Manning Cup. Jamaica, like right now, him a Jamaica best footballer internationally.
Yeah.
And him never kick a ball for Manning Cup ever. Whisper did have, I think, like 1 or 2 more years left. And him leave. Can I say, yo, like
why am I do this still?
I am clearly better than everybody here.
Like, yeah, my God.
Like,
why?
me need for, no, him there at Chelsea.
Yeah.
So it's not like we don't have the talent. We just not have nobody nurture and develop the talent. Because I have enough man at Jamaica who think them a coach, you know. Brother, here's the problem with enough man at Jamaica. Enough coach at Jamaica think to them have 1 ball and 2 orange cone, them a coach. And the thing piss me off, brother. Man, then come, all them, brother, in order to be a football coach at Jamaica, you just need 1 whistle. You want 1 whistle
the
and
orange
2
cone,
cone.
trigger
I
me
want
that.
orange cone.
I was like, all right.
The long one them and the small one them. And the little
them.
shot. Yeah, run through this.
Yeah, man, just dribble left foot, then right foot, on the way back. 20 of them.
Brother, you play ball at Jamaica to right Jamaica, no, 1 formation. 4-4-2. 4-4-2. May I say, Jesus Christ, 4-4-2. 4-4-2. Like,
Them no business, bro.
I genuinely don't believe that the talent's not getting developed right because the coaches are just not good enough. Man just carry 2 cone come here, you know. I say, hey, mad.
Play ball.
Yeah. The man them now get used to them strengths.
They're not, so,
And they're not being developed properly.
but how you going to develop them properly if you don't have coaches that are of that caliber?
You say?
How do you develop them without coaches of the caliber of like...
You just need good coaches. That's the thing. But brother, I feel like the man them can't watch YouTube and coach now, man. You can't stop the foolishness, dog. Brother. Dog, you want to watch some ball player. You want to sit down and watch or match. Me didn't even want it sound away, but me not even. Brother, now if I coach them at Jamaica, just have 1 cone and 1 whistle. And just put 11 man out there.
And just say, yo, yeah, man, you.
And
bro.
say, ball game. Boof, kick it at the air.
Pass the ball, no, man. I just...
Kick it at the air, we catch it. Like, there is no system, no identity. Like, no, the good schools have that. You know, if you watch Manning Cup, you will see the teams them
that
will have coaches.
like strategy.
You will, brother, there's a big difference when you watch like Georges, KC, JC, like the Clarendon College States. Like when you watch schoolboy football, there's a big gap between the man them were good and the man them were like down good. And here what the killer. The probability of the man them that down good, don't think the gap is far, you know. Don't think it's like JC and KC have way better players. That's not the case.
It's just slightly better.
This is my theory.
Yeah.
And hey, chat, prove me wrong. There is no reason why a school like Tivoli Garden, Charlie Smith, Haile Selassie, Ozemati. Honestly, there's no reason why a school were in at the garrison of Jamaica.
Yeah.
Nothing better than every, cause the man them a baller. The man them just down a coach. The man them, brother, when you watch that, brother, when you watch certain school, brother, Tivoli and Charlie Smith.
Yeah.
Them man they do nothing else, but sometimes them school are good still, you know.
Yeah.
But I really coaching because I think about it, the man them just there them yard. And when you look, when me did I go to school, the man them just go for the same man them we living at them community there. And complain for the good school them, you know.
Yeah.
It's the same man them, you know. Brother, every single non-traditional school in a Jamaica can win Manning Cup. There is 20 baller, 100% sure we're better than the man them. We are play for the bright school them. Because either the man them are going to go scope them out. Because I'm telling you something about baller. All right. We didn't go there. But there is the possibility of like a Penwood, a Edith, Pembroke. Don't feel like them man they're no baller, my youth. Every school in a garrison have more baller than the traditional high school.
So it's just a lack of strategy that the man them have.
Brother, my tell you say man them have 2 cone and 1 whistle. And then say them a coach.
But so you said that man they individually, like the players there individually
they're
are better ballers than
the possibility of them being individually better than the traditional high school is high. Individually. Now, if we talk about like discipline and like maybe not.
Yeah. But raw skill.
Raw, brother. A buckle them man the juggler the time and them thing there, brother.
Glass.
It's a glass.
Boom, 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 boom.
But them always end up at a good school and go get more structure and discipline.
And that you believe, okay. So how do they get the better coaches? I mean, it could
the better coaches are getting paid from the better schools.
I mean, that's the only way that can play out, I feel like.
Exactly, but
you know?
But even so, I still think at 19 years old,
you should be competing at like a professional level now.
Yeah, you see, track and field and football is 2 different things. You see, for track and field, the matriculation into track and field harder than football. You see, like you can be the fastest thing for tracks, you know. And the moment you left high school, them just throw you to the wolves. Now you are race with everybody. So you was if you was the fastest at 19, you see that there's a gap between 19 and like a 23-year-old sprinter, where you have some catching up for do. Pro track and field is not the same like pro football. You can throw a 17, 18-year-old youth pan a football field. Go play ball with some 30-year-old man, 28-year-old man.
And can figure it out.
Don't feel like you can go take a 17-year-old youth and send him go race bolt. You hear that sound? No, you hear that sound. You hear that sound like, that sound insane. And that is what happened with track and field. After 19, you are now a professional. So, say you were running 19, I think the class 1 100 meter record right now in Jamaica is 9:99.
Yeah.
The world record for Bills is 9:58. 9:99. What win yesterday? 9:76.
Yeah.
That not near, you know.
That's not even.
That not near. that not near at all.
It's not even close.
No. That not near. So there's a big gap in track and field where you have to bridge that after high school, where there's like a 3. Most athletes them have like a a 3-year slump because it's
After
like
high school.
yeah, because you're fast. You're fast and you do your thing and you run with people and you run at the World Juniors and the this and that. Then them say, boom, you're an adult now. Go race bolt.
Go figure it out. Yeah, no, you have to go compete in all of these.
Yeah, no, me I got to go race bolt.
Yeah.
No, everything mash up.
Yeah, just all right. Now you're competing with the best in the world every time.
Exactly. And in football, remember, it's 11 versus 11.
Yeah. So at least you have a team you can rely on.
There's always like Arsenal, we have youngsters like it is quite normal for an 18-year-old make a international team or make it's normal. It's happened multiple occasions.
Yeah.
Which is why I think the development of Jamaica football way behind. Because you can't have no 19-year-old that play Manning Cup. Go do something. Like if
he's about to tell him to go look work.
Yeah, we can't say them go look like if a footballer one play,
yeah.
Play 1 year, play when 11th grade down, go on a foreign.
Yeah.
But if you are think and football have late bloomers,
Yeah, but at least you are able to get into the pocket sooner elsewhere.
Oh, we're not gonna get into the pocket. The average Jamaican footballer gonna just go play MLS here.
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah, those are the only two countries I believe can be a football powerhouse if we care. Don't make Jamaica and America care both football.
Oh yeah.
May I tell you
Facts.
that? May I tell people that
Facts.
Don't make
I feel like if America cared,
don't make America wake up and care.
I think any sport America losing is because them don't care.
Them
Unlike
don't
lucky.
care. That's why I have to commend us in a track and field.
Yeah.
Because like we're very good.
Care about it, and clearly America care about it enough that we're strongly competitive with it all the while. It's usually only Jamaica and America arguing about tracks at that level,
Brother, it's because we care.
Yeah.
But guess what?
No.
America don't really care about tracks.
No. I mean,
no, they don't. They don't. Men, America, brother, let me tell you something.
yeah, you're right.
If you want to see how athletic them American man be, just watch NFL a week time.
Oh yeah.
Just watch NFL.
America don't care about sports where other people involved too tough still, Like
them football and basketball are our
man.
thing.
Yeah. And
that's what them like.
And what's so crazy is that other places play those things too. But them the America don't want to play against Denmark or whoever
in a basketball. Because it's a joke.
No, do not that.
That's some fun thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Brother, if you ever watch an NBA game, you see in a track and field, you see long jump.
Yeah.
Like long jump. The world record of long jump is almost like 9 meters. How far is the free throw line from the basketball court?
I don't know.
How far is the free throw line? What's the comments? Make sure someone look fit. How far is the free throw line from the basket?
15 feet.
15 feet. How much is 15 feet? How many meters is 15 feet? 4 meter.
Yeah.
All right. What is the long jump world record? 8.9 meters.
See, I tell me, say Michael Jordan could have long jump.
Basically, me I say they're bouncing a ball and them can dunk from the free throw line.
Yeah.
The free throw line, like more know what is the arc, the 3-point arc that we need to find. How far is the free throw line from the basket?
No, the 3-point line.
The 3-point line. Okay, 23 feet. Okay,
23 feet in meters.
how much is 23?
7.1.01 meters.
Okay, so 7.1. So LeBron James can casually bounce a ball and jump from.
Yep.
He can dunk 7 meters. The world record in long jump is 9 meters. Almost
crazy.
9 meters.
That's crazy.
What if they cared?
So you see, you know what I think it is, and what I think.
Wait, this is a hypothetical, and I don't want people be like believe like me. I look down upon
Everybody else.
I'm just saying that those men are freakishly athletic.
But what I think it is too is the fact that there is, and I think this is missing in Jamaica, there is a strong corporate interest for the attention of these theatrics in America. Right? So I want to go see a basketball game. I want to go see them play as best as them can and dunk and go crazy. Right? And me as MasterCard, Visa, Pepsi, me as these corporate entities go put money behind this to make this into a bigger spectacle so people can buy my thing. Jamaica don't have that. We don't have a strong corporate interest in the arts
Because I don't
and
think
sports.
I think track and field and football are not two major financial powerhouses in Jamaica. So you see, like, football is a part of these people economy now.
Yeah. But it can be if Jamaica made it so. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
if
like-
you made it
Like
a
if
spectacle.
the Premier League was like promoted differently and the stadiums is bigger and like more money,
Yeah.
like Brazil pump money, like there is clearly an interest like
Yeah.
playing football in Jamaica.
Yeah.
I don't know how sustainable of a career that, like, can I do that until I am 35 and then never work again? I'm not sure.
doubt it.
I doubt it.
I doubt it. But you can hear for not even a national.
Exactly. You
team.
can do that here, you can do that in Europe, you can do that in Brazil, you can do that a lot of places. I don't sure about that in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So we are fall, but we are go figure it out, man. I believe say everything take like a time.
Yeah, man. We're supposed to have I feel like we're supposed to have like a NCB stadium by now or something. You know what I mean? It's like we have like a Bank of California stadium, man. You know what I mean? Like corporate entities, a Staples Center.
Brother, let me tell you something about first world living.
Yeah.
Brother, when you live in America, dog, you spoil.
Oh, fully. Absolutely.
Like living here, when you move from a third world country, dog, and you live in America, although, in certain aspects, Jamaica better. But it's just that when certain things become the norm, we think like, oh yeah, why you not just
Yeah.
what is
Yeah.
it's not, why you not just
But here's the thing. It's not a just. I know it's just so like, yeah, why?
it's
why,
really adjust though.
Why? Yeah, but Scotia can put some money in our stadium and make football be a theatrical thing.
Bro,
that even if you don't.
do you know how much a stadium costs?
All right. I'm going to counter that question with this question. How much does a stadium make?
More than it costs over the years.
Yes, and over the years we are look on.
Yeah, because all right, look upon the perfect example. Arsenal did invest in a Emirates Stadium. We moved from Highbury and we moved in a Emirates 06. Arsenal literally did broke for like 11 or 12 years. We are come out of the debt of us building that stadium.
Yeah.
And Arsenal full every week. And it take them 11 to 12 years to come out of the debt at the stadium.
Yeah, but what is 11 to 12 years to Scotia?
But that's a state-of-the-art stadium. I think Jamaica just need
We don't need a fully state of the art.
Brother, Jamaica needs some like 10,000 seater stadium.
Yeah, bro.
Like, you know, 15, 20,000 people stadium.
Yeah, make it can be a spectacle.
Because Jamaica have stadium,
Do
you know.
some confetti and you know what I mean?
We have couple stadium, you know, them just know. You know, we have Compound, Harbourview.
Yeah.
You know, we have Boystown Stadium, we have Arnett, you know, we have Tony Sparling Sport Complex, we have the Edward Seaga Sport Complex, you know, we have Firehouse, Waterhouse Stadium.
Yeah.
Fire that bad. Lion used to have a stadium, I remember what name. But Portmore.
Yeah.
Portmore, they have a good stadium. Rivoli. Them don't even look like high school over here. But hey, a stadium.
You see me? Like, I feel like if Jamaica invested in Jamaica and bet on Jamaica.
I think it starts with the people, though. I think if we come out, watch the games, it's just like the WNBA.
Yeah,
It's
but
literally.
it's just like the WNBA, but here's the difference. With the WNBA, it's been proven for a long time that it doesn't work. But they've tried.
And they're still trying.
They're still trying. And there's some recent
Improvements.
They're
still losing.
Yeah, because 5 years ago, most people couldn't tell you a WNBA player outside of maybe Lisa Sparks or
I can tell you two.
Who?
The Angel Reese and Caitlin Clark.
All right, before them. Name from the entire history of the WNBA.
No, man. You have one of them who play, where talk on ESPN at morning time. I remember her name.
See?
But hey. All me I say is,
but Jamaicans, we know that Jamaicans watch football. We know that Jamaicans enjoy football.
Yes, but we as a country not paying.
Then make it so that them don't have to pay you advertising.
I'm busy. What's up? Can you hear me? This man called me by mistake. This man called me by mistake to blood not. Always I waste my time, man. All right, yeah. But think about this. Me as a sports, are Jamaicans paying $5,000 to go watch a match?
All right. Would they, if they knew that it was an experience to go? And what if you had a situation where there is a big lead up that they've been watching this because everybody invests, all the advertisers have invested into creating this.
No, this is what you're talking about. We don't have the
corporate interests.
Not just corporate.
Yeah.
Like, there's no media.
So we have to start there, so now.
Yeah, it's like there's no media. You don't know you don't know the name of the players. You don't know the background of the players. Enough people. There's not more coverage. There's not enough social media coverage. Like,
I feel like Jamaica has such
industry
a rich
hasn't
sports.
the industry not built yet. The industry still it need for build.
Yeah.
Because look upon like, Premier League, whatever, people are talking about it. There is people that talk about it whole week.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it is like that. There is not an industry for football. And the moment that happen, where players can get paid better and people have interest for watch, I think Jamaica does a terrible job at promoting the Premier League, the Jamaican Premier League. I think them I think is some of the worst promoting I've ever seen.
All right. With America to how basketball sensationalizing, bro. You not have to like basketball, Think about that.
Wait, football worse.
You don't have to like football, bro. Most people. All right. I don't think people outside of America realize
how
that
big football is,
how big it is, and how much people that actually don't know what's going on.
Them just watch it.
Them just watch it and they just woo.
Bro, the Super Bowl is the biggest event every year in America.
All right. How much people don't know how football play?
Most. I don't know. I don't know watching every Super Bowl.
We're watching every Super Bowl. We don't know that. We don't know what the teams did this whole time.
Yes,
we don't know which team come from where.
Because there's a financial interest.
Yes, but you have to create that financial interest. You're not. All right. How I think you're saying it right now is where you're expecting the customer to show interest first, and then you monetize that interest. I'm saying you have to create that interest. Brainwash them, bro.
So whoever in charge fair spend the money on that. And it really start from, and it's so crazy that them can generate so much revenue. Like, if a man really want to make some money,
yeah.
like, if we create like a real footballing industry where like money I make, where there can be so much more jobs from the players to coach to people who sell at the stadium to people who work at this, like so
Everything.
much jobs can generate if an industry get.
Like right now, we're supposed I can get an Oblique Seville shirt.
We're supposed to can go buy a Premier League. I'm supposed to can order it.
Right now, and it ready and
supposed to get order Aberview jersey. And one man in I comment I go say, yeah, but we can.
Yeah, but we can.
Oh, me don't know that.
All right, type the link in the comments then, since you're bad, so. That is what I'm talking about. It needs to be sensationalized, like how it's sensationalized everywhere else. Treat it like how.
I think it starts from the government.
That's what I think.
The government need to. If me, I would have make it an incentive. I would have like make it be like tax free for build a stadium or give them like a tax break, incentivize people to come out, like start have like free match.
Yeah.
Promote it on TV every day. Yo, this person I play this person. Every community come out. Bam, bam, bam.
It start like right now, big game I go on. You're supposed to have a Shensia do halftime and them something.
Yeah.
You see me I said? Like halftime concerts supposed to crazy.
You know what kill me though?
What?
This is how it kill me though.
What?
And I think I'm gonna receive a lot of flack for this.
What?
Normally, I know this now go anywhere. We know what? 2025?
Yeah.
Why me have some camera writers so we're better than when me I see?
Than everything that all of Jamaican media for some reason.
So we're not gonna say all of Jamaican media.
All right.
But like there should be a difference when I am watching a podcast and watching like, oh, this is we have two major,
all right,
the two biggest networks in Jamaica.
Why is it that a YouTube music video look better than the news? It look better than the news, like
that's what like people me even know how good this look or if this look good, but me try every week for this looks like something.
Yeah, the news has looked the same way my entire life.
All right, no, the news will look different, but
yeah,
like what are those lenses like make we.
Sometimes I think of the ear, you know. Sometimes I think of Jamaica for you.
I know the ear, brother, because guess what? My movie no look like my movie we shoot. Bob Marley movie look like the news. The Bob Marley movie we just shoot at Jamaica one day. It look like the news.
It doesn't. It doesn't. It does not.
They man them now, brother. When you watch a Protege or a Chronic music video, it look like the news. Go watch, right? Watch. Do it for the love, me not do it for the likes. Or watch a video they know. Foreign. It make anything when they on TV look like a joke thing. What are we doing? Why? Like
we're not doing no color grading or nothing.
Who are these DPs?
We have OBS and them thing, you know.
Who
We're
are
supposed to
these
can shoot something proper, you know.
Who are these director of photography? Who is lighting these people? Like why the quality from them, it looks so poor? Like
maybe somebody in the comments can help it.
Hey.
Do you think the all right? Do you think
I don't
the
want to receive
production
no flack
people?
for this because no people might say, but
I mean,
I just think it should be better. I just think it can be better.
in your defense, I don't think it's a situation where we're picking on them necessarily. I just think that for something like, I don't know, the news, we should have the highest
Brother,
quality stuff.
This is what I think. Some people, I used to believe, say, certain things just look different at Jamaica.
Yeah.
Bro, this is a warehouse. No light is coming in here. We can recreate the same thing in Jamaica and it look the same way. And we can mess around with it and this time it look good. Yeah, we see this right now and it out of focus and then it in a focus and because a 2 away.
Yeah.
But when we talk about the news,
Yeah.
we generate money from ads. And you're going to tell me, say, you haven't upgraded your equipment. Never? And you're like, it works.
I think Jamaica functions on that a lot. Like, I think that's a core part of the Jamaican mentality.
Bro, let me tell you something. Do you know how long you have to have a camera for it to be outdated? Bro, let me tell you something. You think you can... To outdate a camera is crazy. Like, outdated? Dog, you know how hard it is for like...
Cause right now, if you find a film camera from the 1940s, that's still
Brother.
prime.
A FX1 right now. If me put it on this with the light, it look the same way. Where them I use? Univac.
Camcorder and him something, you know.
Some Panasonic.
Yeah.
Like,
I don't know, man. I think there's just like this, if it ain't broke,
This
don't
is what
fix
we've
it
been
vibe,
doing.
and we've been doing it.
and we're not changing it.
And that's what it is. These are the cameras we have. Are you gonna buy the cameras? You know, you're going to send us the camera since people are watching. That's the attitude Jamaicans have.
Yeah,
with
because
things,
they might generate more money.
yeah, but
Like they're making so much, brother. Remember, Lasco, JMMB, like quotes, them have to pay.
yeah,
If you run ads, that's how they make money,
yeah,
Companies, them television company make money from ads.
Mm-hmm.
Bank, finance, they make money.
yeah.
Digital, flow, everything.
So make the quality better
So and charge more.
and charge more.
Like, brother, if TV just see them say we are raise the price, I mean, at 2 hours alone,
Who are going to stop
at
you?
2 hours alone.
Like, who are going
Who
to
are gonna
stop you?
stop you? Like,
Realistically, them supposed to talk to one another and say, yo, next week, next quarter, we are for raise for everything, So just raise for the thing,
brother, if you upgrade your camera every 10 years,
Yeah.
like 10 years.
So you think of some filter them now have, or them just no know? You think them have equipment and they just have no idea how to use it, and they've never YouTubed it, and they've never hired somebody that decided to
Either them nah use the thing them forget the quality out of it.
Yeah.
But there's no reason why it's not supposed to look smooth. Like, me cannot and be like, yeah, it's crazy. Like, when you watch foreign news, I know why it piss me off.
Go on.
Because me know is not, it's more, you can like guess and wonder, oh, maybe is this how I know about.
Yeah.
They are not, they are fucking around. They don't give a fuck. They are not trying. When we know if
just
you're
not
fuck,
even trying.
they don't give two shits about
Yeah, they're just like, all right,
watch
sit
what
down,
me show you.
read the news, you go watch anyway. Cause realistically, I guess that's how they're behaving. Like, yo, we don't have to upgrade. What else are you gonna watch?
Why do I need to do this?
What else you gonna watch? If me use my old razor and shoot the news, you go watch it. That's just what it is.
Brother, there's a reason. Brother, in order to get something on Netflix, you know, Netflix have a standard, you know. You have to give us to us like this at bare minimum.
Yeah.
If it under that level, yeah, can't.
Not gonna work.
At that news feed, brother.
So this is what I think.
Coverage,
Jamaica need to do on a
bro.
whole.
The coverage of everything. Like let's not just put it to news.
Yeah, everything.
Everything pan the channel them. Pan it everything. Everything like
ER can look like a better still. I feel like respectfully.
Hey, that are your style. That are yours. Me I talk about me. One thing me I talk about. Me just make we do better.
Yeah.
Make we do better.
Yeah.
The industry is evolving, and I want my country to evolve with the industry. Because
And I think there's people that care, you know. I think the main issue is that there's people that care, but they also don't want to be probably taken advantage of and help to grow this thing and not be compensated for growing this thing. So you don't want to go and say, yo, TVJ, yo, hold on update to the thing them. I know you give them all the sauce and then you're fired. And now TVJ just update them thing.
And you lose
and
your
you
work.
out. You know what I mean?
Brother, things right now, the space of media right now, let me show you how volatile media is. If I was on TV every day, if you put me on air in front of population of Jamaica, 3 million, every day, and you put me on air for 3 years straight, you can't fire me.
Facts.
You can't. You know why?
Because that's your people's.
Not even that. You fire me, it's fine. Buy one camera, right there, so, and buy this.
And this is the show.
And got me out and all right. I know everybody who did I watch you, I watch me now.
Yeah.
And that's the world there.
But all right.
And I'm see that at America too.
Fully.
Shannon Sharp fired. Shannon Sharp don't miss a beat.
But all right, yeah. We're back. We have another guest on the show.
We have another guest on it. No, me have Club Shay Shay, me have Nightcap. You know, this is my thing.
Yeah.
When election did go on there, me see Donald Trump and Joe Rogan and Kamala and Club Shay Shay. I never fax.
I never fax.
And CNN.
Facts.
The world moved to a way now where
now.
they have to now conform into
what the people are looking
into what the people want.
Yeah.
And me just feel like you should be able to differentiate yourself after having 50, 60 years in the game. You can't be like you are right now. You are refusing to acknowledge that time to move forward.
Yeah, you're right.
Like you have to press on right now to change something. So if it's for start with where you can control. And where you can control is you might have this man there that has been working there for 35 years that only know how to use this Panasonic, and because of your friend, you now fire him and go hire one youth where 21, fresh out of university or fresh into university and willing to try. Everybody can go school or YouTube. Hire give some people some chance for create stuff, for be more innovative. Like come up with some show ideas.
I would know some creative people. You know, creative people. Can you hit us in the comments and let us know what is going on there? Like, they must know, like, all right, yo, TVJ just not really pre that, or, you know, them just not have no interest in that.
Maybe nobody is pitching. Maybe nobody now like pitch show ideas to them and them.
Come on, Jamaica have more shows, and I feel like Jamaica have more shows. Just like
it sounds easy. It sounds easy.
I know it's not easy,
but it hard.
Yeah.
Especially with me. Them not call me. Them I say Dale say camera them not work. Dale, you mad me not call it.
You have to just send them a show. You have to just send them a show.
Me have to shoot one whole show and send to them.
Send them. You have to just send them 25 episodes after rip.
And if me send them, they're gonna say, "Oh, him thinking better that way." No.
Yeah. Just leak the show on YouTube.
I one thing me know in that world, brother. And me stop business, you know. Me top care. Me top care.
Especially if I know your thing, it's like, but brother, sometimes you just want better.
If you not stand for nothing, you fall for everything, brother. And right now, me think creatively right now, as a country, we have some of the most creative youths right now. What people are doing with them phone now is insane.
Crazy.
So why news look the same from 2000 and from 1985? Brother, me I watch a documentary. Jim Brown. Shower Posse.
Yeah.
You can put it side by side with 2026 news right now.
Wow.
When Cartel walk out of prison last year, you can put that same footage there with when Jim Brown are walking a prison. Barely pixelated.
Wow.
It barely. No big difference.
So how come everything in Jamaica do pixelated and rough and
when Andrew Holness win election when Andrew Holness just win election versus when PJ Patterson win election in about 2002 look the same.
Look the same.
Same
kind of wash out kind of look.
Same. It look the same. It look the same, brother.
You think them need some new screen? Like them not know. At the screen them where them look on maybe. I don't know.
You say I monitor them.
How much the monitor them, bro?
Brother, I don't know if them see same thing when you see that.
They probably them mustn't know watch it back. But them feel like, yo, are we alone? I go cover it.
Brother, that's why you have man right now prefer sit there and watch YouTube, you know.
Because it's so much better. But you see, here's the thing now. You have people that put their actual passion and talent and craft into the thing to present it to you.
Dog.
How is it that the national stations are not having those people?
Brother, I have this love of film so much by buck-ups.
Just accidental.
I accidentally love film.
Yeah.
And I am in no way, shape, or form more talented than when me see the man them can do. I can be good in front of the camera.
Yeah.
The man them behind the camera is really what make the magic happen.
For sure.
And right now, is either the man them behind the camera at the place. Like, me just feel like if a data will benchmark, make it look better.
Yeah, at least. Just set up. Look a color grading now hurt nobody.
Boy, I don't know if them man know if use Premiere Pro at all. Me don't think them man, brother.
You think they use? You think them?
Brother,
they probably look at you like, oh, yeah, use all them
brother,
them
more than watch something and me I say, yo, you ever wish I like IG? You just try one other filter. Say, yo, just see if it look smoother than this.
You can like smooth out that little bit. You can
make little
like
depth of
AI,
feel.
like an AI update or something like a.
But and the craziest part with film and technology, bro, they last a long time in a dark.
Yeah.
They last a long time.
Yeah.
A camera is not like a computer. Where 5 years it's outdated.
Yeah, no, not at all.
That is not, you can use a camera for 10 years, brother.
Yeah. You can use a camera for.
You can push it to 15.
Yeah.
Like,
it depends on what you want to do. Because if you try to take picture of them thing, you can use it forever.
A 4 to 5 year old camera is a good camera.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, that's a brand new camera that you buy. A 4-year-old camera?
Yeah, that's new.
A A7 IV Sony released them released a camera there in like 2021. We're in 2025. That's a 4-year-old camera.
Yeah.
A A7 III gives you the same quality, and that camera came out in maybe like 2016 or 17.
So how much more updated?
No, these
really
are small full frame cameras. Them I use full frame industry quality big back camera where them put lens span. Whether is I don't know if them I use Red, Harley, Lumix, Panasonic, Nikon, Canon, Sony. I don't know what them I use.
Yeah.
But them half I use something from 1992.
So here's what's tripping me out, bro. I feel like if you watched a movie from 1992,
It looked good.
it looked good. This is what I say. Like, bro, I watched the first Jurassic Park the other day.
Bro, do you know that
That looked great.
Bro, you know it can be something as simple as the lighting is just horrible.
It's just terrible lighting.
Like whoever is lighting it just need lightning and thunder. Them need
Man, them just go, all right.
man just
So
turn on,
all right,
just
ready.
like me I try shit. I can't man, I'm not qualified for this. Me can't just turn on beer lighting and this and just sit down and talk as a YouTube me I post it and
Yeah, man, well lit.
and we just it light.
Yeah, but that just means somebody not really business.
People not real. There's like them and say, yo, you know, them just not business. And I'm just not think at that level.
You're supposed to not business.
You're supposed to business at that level.
For sure.
Because banks are paying you to banks,
to business.
networks are paying you, digital is paying you, Flow is paying you, water commission, like Sunshine Snacks, Wisynco,
Yeah,
Pepsi.
man.
You're
Island
getting
Dairy,
paid.
everybody. Yeah.
KFC, Burger King, you get paid. Make the shit look better, man.
This is what I'm saying.
A trouble you get me in a
This is what I'm saying.
I feel like a trouble me I get in a I get in a trouble.
Listen,
Because see-
I just want better for the country on a whole, right? If we not for vex with me a little bit, if we not, cause what we're going to hear the most, more than likely, is that we now buy camera. And since we're there, big LA, California, I shoot movie.
give it 2 camera now?
Send 2 camera guys Jamaica. That's what we're gonna hear. Right? That's what we're gonna hear. I know. Don't act like y'all don't have the best equipment in Jamaica either. Cause I see all of y'all. I see y'all. I see the artsy people that shoot all the little fantastic artsy thematic stuff. They can't do it.
That's what I'm saying. Like we as a country, we have them.
They're there. They're shooting all the music videos.
They're
shooting all the music videos.
I'm seeing the music videos.
So why when I put that towards, bro, I feel like we need more Royal Palm Estate and them something.
Brother, man, Royal Palm
me I
dead,
say?
brother.
Royal Palm dead long time.
No, but may I say why
we need
we don't
something
get
like
back
that.
that?
We don't
Why
do something like that.
Like this has been off here for more than 20 years.
Why we not do? All right, we can't do some more reality. We can't do no reality show and them something. There.
Brother,
Can't make.
I had no problem with like a Rising Star. You see the thing is with Rising Star,
Yeah.
me never, you see the on the road, the quality was great.
Yeah. But when we're there at
But
the
when you-
concert and
But when you're inside now, and now you're in at the studio, I perform. And we are see the people in the crowd, and we are see you are singing. You're not supposed to look like outside.
yeah, we're not supposed to have the studio settings different from
And
the outside pan the road.
And the lighting supposed to like be crazy, and it's supposed to look like we are watch Dancing with the Stars or one of them things.
Yeah.
Because it's literally, it can
It's
be
that.
made. It's
Yeah.
not like because of Jamaica it look different. You literally can create that.
yeah.
And you know what the craziest thing is? Film is now the cheapest it has ever been.
So you can easily go in and just do the thing.
Like buying cameras, it's cheaper now than ever. And don't tell me say you can't get it. And customs are gonna sneak it in.
but you also
Your business.
you're a huge. You're not just a business.
Write it off.
You're not just a business. You as TVJ or CVM Brother, you tell me say you don't have no government links? Television Jamaica can't get in camera? Be real now.
But in my defense, I've seen I've seen some improvement.
Yes.
But no.
I think it can be at a level.
Brother, what day I watch news, brother?
Mm-hmm.
And the whole time I watch it, I say, who's lighting this? I say, who I light this? Who I light this?
It's just...
Me a fire you. Me a fire you.
Like, why is the background super bright and I can't see the person, like, at all, really? Like, you can kind of see the person ish.
Brother, boy, trouble is, you know.
It's trouble.
I post it leaving business.
What I do like, though, here's what I don't want them to change. You see that Jamaican news reporter accent?
Keep it.
I love that.
All of those things
I
should
love
remain
that,
the same.
you know what I mean?
I just want the
quality of the visual to improve.
The visuals. And it can be either the camera is just outdated or the lighting is just terrible.
Yeah.
No, me not telling you if you light the thing cinematic.
But you can try, you know. You can see.
No. The news,
you can light it and see what you think.
but look, the news should not be cinematic.
I'm not saying
we're not watching a movie.
I'm not saying it should be cinematic. What I'm saying is you can experiment, though.
Try.
You can try it. And maybe you want Jamaican news to look cinematic.
Brother,
We're talking about some cinema things. Imagine you are watching news with Brown Man and the news reporter, half of them face in the dark, and today, Brown Man.
Yeah, but see, that's not like worldwide news.
It's not world. Look, we not have worldwide news. Look now. We can be viral. We can say, yo, Jamaican news look dark. Yeah, we don't know why them news look so. It can be a thing.
Brother, ever watch all the weather report at Jamaica?
No. long time without watching that.
Watch your weather. Watch your weather, man. Yeah, it hurt you, man. Watch your weather.
Just look at a weather report. I feel like I should look at one right now.
Just pull up to see how it look now. Mute the phone so then a copyright way.
Yeah.
Although you can't copyright
news, man, I think so.
News open to copywriting. You can't copyright news.
Jamaican weather forecast today. Mr. Weatherman? No, that don't sound like a Jamaican
Type in one
person.
of the major network them.
Okay, here's one from TVJ a year ago.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm looking at it. Yes. Okay. Welcome back to Primetime News. All right. So the camera them have the look what me I talk about right now. Like it's smooth. It kind of smooth still. It looks better than how it used to look for me, but it still coulda.
That's what I'm saying. That's
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Yeah, this look like. Yeah, the lighting is kind of crazy. Is it just a TV behind them? Like a TV? Is it not a?
They say it's not no big
It's
like
not a
LED.
green screen where you.
It don't have to be green screen.
It don't have to be.
Let me see this.
This was a year ago. Tropical storm. It was a tropical storm watch from a year ago. So you tell me say my youth they can do a pop the balloon in a white room, and them can find white room for the pop the balloons in.
And the pop the balloon clean.
And the pop the balloon clean, high quality. You tell me say pop the balloon. All right, okay, I'm done. I'm sorry. You're right. This might be problematic.
Brother.
Right.
All right. You're right. All right. May I watch this? And
tell me in your like cinematic with your cinematic filmography eyes.
yeah,
What do you?
brother, me is not a big. All right.
No, you don't have to be though, because it's an art, and art is about taste, and clearly that is the taste of Jamaican news. That's how they like it to look, apparently, because that's how it's always looked.
Is this like a TV in the back?
It is a TV.
Yo, what you say? I don't want nobody. No wanna yo.
It's a TV. I tell you that, like, so it's two TVs. My bad. have a TV on the side of the weatherman guy, and then another TV.
All we're saying is, this is what I'm saying, people. I definitely believe that we can do better.
Yeah.
TV wise. We can make it look better.
Brother, I remember it was a couple of years ago, right? There was some kind of freakish weather incident going on. And me, I watch the news up here, dog. And they're trying to like show, it's like if there's flooding happening, this is how like
and you see the water start coming on the screen.
The guy is standing in the room. And you're like, okay, when this
is where the water is going to be.
You see water just start appearing in the room, and it's like, these things might happen, and the place will start flood out. I'm like, yo, how them money afford this level? Like, them have some
but all right. So,
Marvel level.
But remember, that can be that's probably being extra.
Yeah, that's super extra.
But, maybe I'm just saying that the layout.
Could be.
The layout, the lighting, the exposure, it can be different. It's just me. It's just me.
My challenge, right? My challenge is that I think all the production people can look at their thing and go, look at the most recent episode and go, how can we make this look better the next episode with one thing? Like, can we turn on a light that will fix this? Or turn off a light that will fix this? Can we turn down something on the camera that will fix this? Just one thing. Can we get a depth of field or something? Can we light this a little better?
Can we move the table a little bit forward? Can we get a bigger TV behind away?
Is this how does this look?
But we are too enough.
Yeah.
And what we are do I criticize. I come at we need to leave the people alone.
We can't even figure out how this look.
Me there so can't fix this. Mount I try, me can't fix this all now. So me there so but me a critique.
Yeah, but somebody just gonna be in the comments. Crooks is you're fat. That's just
somebody. A big fat boy there, so I tell you. A big fat boy I come and tell you foolishness.
Jaja, rough. I feel like we can do better though.
It's just that me think that we need more TV show. I just feel like it is being created. It just probably so much barriers to entries to get in to get your thing on a CVM or on a TVJ. I think is one of the barriers to entry. Like are people developing shows like right now? It be a CVM and TVJ. Me start buy out them.
That's what I think should happen.
Everybody, me just start pay them for work for me.
Yeah. All right.
No, me give a salary. I get up on TV every week.
Me go, all right, do you have a show? Me go buy a show. And now, if I have the best shows on here, like any other network, advertisers going to want to pay me more because more people are watching the show. No, me can make more money. No, me can get in more younger people. No, me can get more things to do. Yeah. So maybe we're going to see a change. I also kind of feel like, I don't know how we do this. I don't know how we would possibly do this. But I also feel like Jamaica need how would I describe it? Like a non-family friendly. Like we need like a HBO.
Yeah, we need another TV.
We need another station.
We need another station that is not like news-centric.
That is not news-centric and like
we
public family centric. We need like a private.
Yeah, we need like a that now a branch off in a like cable type thing.
Yeah, but I feel like we could go there, kinda. You know what I mean?
But I think with the beauty of social media now, I think YouTube really bridged that gap there now.
All right. So here this genius idea, right? What if there was a station that compiles all the Jamaican YouTubiness, all of the madness that happens, like a VH1.
And pay for all of them and then get all of them local?
Get all of them localized into this. Any kind of weird beef and drama going on.
All of these things cost money.
It does. But they make money too.
And I think the only people that will pay for these things is CVM and TVJ. So CVM, TVJ, I am telling you guys to please start paying more attention to the youths. Hire some more youth. Get in some more people. Make way, you know.
Try some things. I feel like Jamaica not try nothing. You know what I mean? Like, experiment a little bit. Everything. Like, make your music sound like your music.
It always...
Find the Jamaican identity in everything and display that.
But see, thing is, what we are accustomed to where the local networks are concerned is that what we are seeing now or what we know.
Is what we know.
Like the fact that you look upon it a while ago and I was like, oh, this look little better. It still look like, the same.
Yeah, it still look the same. And it's how I know the news for look. It just look like a sharp version than what I was.
Listen, no, it looks sharper.
It looked sharper, but it looked the same. It looked like, you know, it looked like, all right, maybe it's just a better screen.
Whoever, the set designer, like...
Yeah, we can make them look a thing that
we
better.
need a bigger LED TV. Why would you have a big, like, why 4 TV though in a one? And that are the LED. You know what? Me not gonna make, hey, you know what? Me chat too much and I true me live a foreign. A foolishness me a chat.
Yeah, me don't know nothing about nothing.
Me don't know nothing about nothing. No pay me no mind. Hey, people. Me have a show at Bridgeport.
Straight.
You know? Stay in my lane. Me's a comedian.
I tell 2 joke.
Me I tell 2 joke at Bridgeport.
Foolish.
Make sure you get to the ticket them at DaleElliottJR.com. You know, Canada, I will be there. Me I tour all of Canada. First show I go be in Halifax. Then me I go Vancouver. Then me I go Edmonton. Then me I go Calgary. Then me I go Winnipeg. You know, then me I go Montreal. Me I go Toronto. Me have Chicago. Me have Detroit. Me have Fort Lauderdale. Me have Orlando. Me have Tampa. Me have Philly. Me have New York. Me have Naples. Wallip. Hey, people, me have Wallip a show, so make sure you come out and watch them and make me know if you like that setup here as well, because I am very responsive to my viewers.
Yes,
because I don't know why me I do this.
So, yo, we're tired of it, girl. Yo, we
Make me know. Tell me if you don't like that one, you're better than the last one. All right, we're out. Boom.